Cracked that pretty good. Kept using it after. Wow, that's wowed. Yeah. She bent. Look at that. Cracked that pretty good. Kept using it after. Wow, that's wowed. Well, gonna have to tell him to go buy a new one. Just kidding, we'll fix it. Alright. Well, we'll get it on the machine, see if we can force it down a little bit. Get it semi-straight again maybe, without screwing it up too bad, and go from there. Bad. I thought that was going to be worse than it was. Okay, so I got this pretty good and straight down there. There we go. Right here where this crack is, right there, it dips up here. It's bowed up here a little bit and here, but I don't want to try and straighten that out. Plus that's your cutting edge anyway. So I don't want to try and straighten this out too much more because this is parallel with over here. So I think that once he gets that over to the shop, I can heat that and bend that back easier. But this definitely is a 100% upgrade from what it was. We'll get it, we'll weld it up. I'll probably probably see what we can do underneath here yet where it's cracked, and probably put another piece of plate in there. Might even double up the cutting edge with something. I don't know, haven't figured that out yet, but we'll get it over to the shop this afternoon and add it to the list.
Chad's already straightened out this bucket. It's severely bent by a customer. We're going to put a pick in right here. We're going to drill out this crack here. We got our wear plate here. So we're going to drill through and stop our crack. We're going to add a reinforcing plate on the wear pad. Weld this crack. And then we're going to get on to the rest of the problem, which is an overload on the way to the bucket to bend it to begin with. It bent this quick connect. We took a quick measure, and this one here, at the state it is 2 5/16. And over here we're already at about 3 inches. You can see how much it bent. So we're gonna have to put a plate to reinforce that. So we're gonna go. Chad's thinking. And weld that as such so that you have a good bead along here. Mix it with the profile. Transfer the profile over here. And we should be good to go.
Quick attach goes on the inside of that. So as long as we're on the outside of it, we'll be good to go.
Yeah, again, we still have our snow tires on. Yeah. Well, we're gonna start welding and grinding and shit. I don't want a good hat on. What is this? IBEW local. Don't get me wrong. I pay my dues. Regarding the Chad. What do you think? If you trace the original, you don't undercut by like a quarter inch, do you?
Wow, yep. Alright. This profile cut out. Let's see what that looks like, Sean. like you knew what I was thinking. You want your clamp? I'll wash this out first.
Yeah, might as well just put that in hot. Suck it, it's hot here.
Yeah. Or even next to the opening. Anything would probably be good. It's not really doing much there.
Anything would be something.
Is that wire brush at, Sean? It's still right there.
I was looking for it, but I couldn't find it. Here's a broom. Will it help at all?
Yeah. You look good, Sean. Look at that. Jesus, you almost look like professional shop hand.
Yeah, tired. Underpaid.
Overworked.
Overworked. Poor conditions. Safety's at the max. I'm telling you. International Brotherhood.
that should be it. Alright, so we got the bottom welded up there. And now we're just working on the strong back for this ear. Got a good gap around it all the way. Alright, so we got this bucket all finished up. We're going to give it a coat of paint and then it's out the door on to the next one. So, thanks for watching. Till next time, buddy.